For this project, we're going to use the VHT Wheel Gold to give this rim an awesome pop of color. You have the option to paint the rim on your vehicle or off. We have the equipment. We're going to take the wheel off and get started. First step is to prepare the surface by removing loose paint, dirt, rust, grease, and wax using a grease and wax remover or prep spray to lightly clean the surface. Next, you want to mask off your surrounding area to protect from overspray. Lightly sand the surface with 320 grit sandpaper or a scuff pad. Wipe down the surface again with the grease and wax remover or prep spray. Now your surface is ready to paint. If you leave your wheel on your vehicle, stuff behind the rim with paper to prevent overspray on your brakes. Okay, so we have our surface prepped, our wheel masked off, and now we're going to hit it with the VHT Wheel Paint. 2 light coats followed by 1 medium coat. Shake the can for 2 minutes, and then you're ready to paint. Be sure to apply in a well-ventilated area. Apply all coats within 1 hour. For additional coats after 1 hour, wait 48 hours for the paint to cure. Okay, so we got the paint all laid down and it looks great. Although it may dry in 30 minutes, you have to wait a full hour before these are ready to be handled and be put back on the car. When peeling off the tape, pull away from the painted surface. VHT Wheel Paint withstands intermittent temperatures up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ideal for aluminum wheels, steel wheels, plastic hubcaps, and center tubes. All right, so we got the wheels back on and they're looking great. Notice how a little gold on here completely changed the look of this vehicle. This advanced track-tested acrylic enamel formula restores original wheel appearance and protects against brake dust, chemicals, cleaning solvents, heat, and chipping. If you're looking to update the look of your vehicle, look no further than our VHT Wheel Paint line. If you have any questions on these products or any of our other VHT products, visit vhtpaint.com.